John, your parts came. We'll get to the engine mount stuff in a moment. But, gotta give NPD a shout out for not packing the antenna well. It showed up just like that out of the box.
Yep.
Good fucking job packing, you slacker fucks. Sorry, NPD, but you know what?
Look at that.
Oh,
What
nice
the fuck?
Yeah, that's not gonna work.
What in the flying motherfucking goddamn fuck? You know, you pack something, you ship something in a tube, in a box. Now, mind you, you put 2 pieces of crumpled up paper in there instead of bubble wrapping it.
No!
No, in the box.
Oh, yeah.
Because all that stuff was in there. And of course, you know, FedEx, UPS, anybody else.
Can you see me?
No, because it's bent. Okay, I can kind of. But it's still bent. Knock it off. We have to ship that back to them, and some poor bastard that works there is going to have to touch that. Well, thanks, NPD. Now you've put us... Ew! You put us behind because you can't seem to ship a goddamn antenna. So I'm going to upload this, and I'm going to send this directly to your customer service. Because if I call, you're going to fart around. But now everybody knows. So
Yeah, and these things aren't the easiest to bend like this because when it's in its retracted position, it's decently
It's
strong.
all of them.
Yeah, so it's completely useless now.
it's like Scotty's penis. Anyway, so
Call them
no,
and hand the phone to me.
I'm going to upload this video, send it to them, and then we're going to call them and go, hey, you guys need to ship me one overnight right now. Because this is bullshit, and now we're behind. So, all right.